Hello, welcome you guys to Achievers Academy. The example today is if y is equal to sine square s into bracket s squared plus 1, find dy dx. Now, looking at this question, the first thing you are going to do whenever you are doing a question, you look at the bond that is between both of them. So I can see that the bond that connects sine square s and s squared plus 1 is product rule, which is sine square s multiplied by s squared plus 1. And if you can recall that the formula for product rule is dy over ds is equal to f of s multiplied by g prime of s plus g of s multiplied by f prime of s. Now, let's look at this question. So the question is y is equal to what? Sine square s multiplied by s squared plus 1. So I'm going to make my f of s as sine square s and my g of s as s squared plus 1. So if I'm differentiating f prime of s now, so if differentiating f prime of s, you can see f prime of s is a function of a function, which is chain rule. So you have to differentiate this function before you can know the f prime of s. Now, and when you are differentiating a chain rule, you can easily use a power rule. So which is going to be 2 into bracket sine s close the bracket raised to power 2 minus 1 multiplied by 2. Multiplied by cos s. So that is going to answer is going to be 2 sine s. 2 minus 1 is going to give you 1. So and sine s raised to power 1 is going to give you sine s multiplied by cos s. So your answer is going to be 2 sine s cos s. So if you are differentiating sine square s, so f prime of s is going to be 2 sine s cos s. For those of you that don't understand how we get 2 sine s cos s, you check my previous video. There is a video on chain rule. So whereby you have a function of a function. So this question, f of s is a function of a function. So you have to differentiate in both the function, the outer function and the inner function before you can find the derivative of f of s. Now, derivative of g prime of s is going to be, if you differentiate s squared plus 1, so you are going to have 2s. So therefore, since you get the value of your terms, f of s is here, g prime of s is here, plus g of s and f prime of s. Now you can input your value into this formula. So we say dy over ds is going to be f of s, and what is f of s? F of s is what? Sine square s multiplied by what is g prime of s? 2s plus what is g of s? G of s is what? S squared plus 1 multiplied by what is f prime of s? 2 sine s cos s. So now, and I'm going to this. This is not the final answer because in mathematically, numbers come before alphabet. So you are going to arrange the so. The final answer is now going to be 2s sine square s plus 2 sine s cos s multiplied by s squared plus 1. So that is your final answer. Thank you very much.